Welcome to Truehost Academy. Our tutorial today is about creating a website using WordPress. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, WordPress is a powerful platform to help you get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a domain name and hosting. Choose a domain that reflects your brand. Providers like Truehost offer excellent hosting services customized for WordPress. Sign up for a hosting plan and register your domain name. Most hosts provide a simple setup process for WordPress. Once you have your hosting, log into your hosting account. Look for a one-click install option for WordPress. Click it, select your domain, and follow the prompts to install. After installation, you'll receive login details to access your WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll manage all aspects of your site. First, go to Settings General to configure your site title, tagline, and time zone. Next, let's choose a theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. Browse through free themes or upload a premium one. Choose a theme that suits your style and click Install and then Activate. Now customize your site by going to Appearance, Customize. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and layout. Make your site unique to reflect your brand identity. Next, let's enhance your site's functionality with plugins. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for essential plugins like Yoast SEO for optimization, WooCommerce for e-commerce, and WordFence for security. Install and activate them. Now, let's add content. Go to Pages. Add New to create static pages like Home, About, and Contact. For blog posts, go to Posts, Add New. Use the built-in editor to format your content, add images, and optimize for SEO. To create a navigation menu, go to Appearance Menus. Add your pages and arrange them as needed. Select a location for your menu, usually the header, and save changes. Once you're happy with your site, it's time to launch. Double-check your settings and test links and ensure everything looks great. When you're ready, simply share your domain with the world. Congratulations! You've just created your website using WordPress. Don't forget to regularly update your content and plugins for security and performance. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.